Hi, this is Mr. Shumway. This video clip explains how to calculate how much a boat can float, how much weight it can support. The length of a trapezoid-shaped boat is 51 centimeters at the top. Oops, 51, that shows up a little better over there. 49 centimeters at the bottom. So it's not the same length at the top and the bottom. The width at the top is 28. Hold on. Yeah, the width is 28. And at the bottom, the width is 23. And the height is 27. Well, we can't really use 51 for length because then it would make us think that it was bigger than it is. We can't really use 49 because we want to use more than just the 49. We can get more in than that. So let's find an average between the two. So if I say 51 plus 49, that gives me 100. Half of that would be 50. So the average is 50. Let's do that same thing with the 28 and the 23 for the width. And 51, 25.5. So we use that. So now if we multiply length times width times height, 50 times 25.5 times 27, 34,425 cubic centimeters. And that water displacement would be 34,000 cubic centimeters, which is milliliters. Same thing, and the mass of a milliliter is 1 gram. So we could haul 34 kilograms, 34,000 grams in that box, that boat. Well, we'll do that same thing where it's round, but it's not the same radius at the top and the bottom. So let's take an average between the radius at the top. Oh, actually, it's the diameter. Let's get it to radius first. 124 divided by 2 gives us 62 is the radius. And the one that's 61, half of that would be 31. So let's do an average between 62 and 31. Okay, so let's take half of that to find the average. So that's 46.5. And the depth is 23. So the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. So that would be 3.14 times 46.5 squared. So we square the 46.5 times 3.14. And that gives us 6,789. That's an area for a circle, the average area. And we multiply that times the depth, and it's 23 centimeters. Calculator says 156,000. 158. That's cubic centimeters. That's also the same as milliliters, which is grams. So 156 kilograms, 156,000 grams. So that guy in the boat, he's maybe 100 kilograms. Anyways.